Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to use ChatGPT to solve Excel problems. Whether you are dealing with simple calculations or complex data analysis, ChatGPT can be a powerful assistant. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can understand and generate human-like text. It can help you with various tasks, including solving Excel problems. First, we will use ChatGPT to solve the basic problems. So open your workbook. So here I have the student data, which includes student name and the subjects and the total marks. We have to find the obtained marks of each student. So let's do this with the help of ChatGPT. Open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Log in with your account or sign up with your Google account. First, we will explain our data to the ChatGPT. In the search box, type I have an Excel file which has student data from range A1 to E11, column A to column E. Heading is student name, math, English, science, total marks. Respectively, write a formula to calculate the total marks of each student in column F. Here ChatGPT generate the formula. Copy the formula and paste it into the cell F2. So here we will get the sum of first student. Now drag the fill handle down. Now in column G we will find the percentage of each student. So open the ChatGPT and in the search box type write a formula to calculate the total percentage of each student. The good thing about ChatGPT is it will explain each and everything. So here ChatGPT generate the formula for the percentage. So copy the formula here and paste into the cell G2 and then drag the fill handle down. Now I want to see the marks of a specific student. So in the search box type write a formula to check marks of student named David. And press enter. So here is the formula to check the specific name result. David is the value you are searching for and A2 to F11 is the range where the Excel will search for the name David. This range includes the student name, in column A and the total marks in column F. 6 indicates that you want Excel to return the value from the sixth column of the range A2 to F11, which is the column containing the total marks. And false specifies that you want an exact match for the name David. So copy this formula and paste into the cell where you want to get the result. So here in this video we will find the obtained marks, the percentage of each student, and the marks of specific student. Using ChatGPT, you can easily get assistance with Excel formulas, whether you need to calculate totals, average, or more complex operations. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you.